Hi everyone, let's make no milk, no sugar, no banana, healthy oats breakfast smoothie packed with nutrients that will energize you throughout the day. So, let's get to the recipe. First, let's soak 2 tablespoons of raw oats as it reduces the content of phytates for better assimilation of food. Now, with the help of a strainer, I am rinse the water. It's very important to discard it. I have also already soaked 6 to 8 cashews as the same reason that it reduces the excess stress and phytates. Once it rinses, it's time to add the rolled oats into the blender jar. Now I am adding the cashews. Soak the cashews into the jar. For adding the goodness of vitamins and minerals, I am adding the one apple. I am not removing the peel or the chilka of this apple as it contains the most of the nutrients of this apple. Next I am adding dates. The dates I am using are very soft. If your dates are not soft, make sure that you soaked it so that it easily blend and gives a nice flavor to your smoothie. Add some mixed seeds around half teaspoon. It's include healthy fats in your diet which are very essential. Next for flavor I am adding quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Add some water and blend all it into a smoothie like consistency. Transfer your homemade healthy smoothie into a serving glass. As this smoothie fills in the glass, it also fools you throughout the day, thus help in your weight loss and weight management journey. Now it's time to garnish seeds, some cashews which I have chopped finely. Now I am also adding some dried cranberries. It's optional. Sprinkle some cardamom powder. Your super healthy and flavorful smoothie is ready. Please comment how it turns out and like this video. If you are new to please subscribe to this channel for more such healthy content. And my name is Sharon. Thanks for watching.